Hello Highlanders! Welcome to our instructional video on our web waitlist. The purpose of this instructional tutorial is to provide an overview of the waitlist feature in our web. This video will show you step-by-step how to use the waitlist feature. Please refer to the previous HOF module slides for all important notes to consider regarding the waitlist process. Let's review a Math 009A example. Log on to our web. Select the schedule of classes. And search for the Math 009A class. A waitlist may be possible for lecture-only classes. However, for CNAS classes, it is usually on the smallest section of the linked class. For example, consider the following math scenario. Math 009A requires enrollment in a lecture and discussion. You would use the waitlist for the discussion smaller section. You would not waitlist for both the lecture and discussion. If a seat becomes available in the discussion, you would then check the corresponding lecture for available open seats and enroll in both sections simultaneously. Official enrollment in the class requires that students find open general seats in all the required link components. You cannot enroll in the lecture only while on the waitlist for the other required components. How to determine if a waitlist option is possible. Review the status column and see if a waitlist is available. Determine if there are any open spots on the waitlist. If the class is full, you will see a red exclamation mark that reads "Section is full." If waitlist seats remain open, it will say 96 out of 99 waitlist seats remain. To add yourself to the waitlist, select Register for Classes link. Select the term you are registering for. Select Math 009A. Click on the View Linked button. Then click Add All. Once you see the error message, remove the lecture and waitlist the discussion. Then review your registration card. Your status should read Waitlisted. Due to the high traffic of students accessing the R-Web registration system, students are encouraged to refresh their R-Web registration records by clearing their history, cache, and cookies in their browser history, logging out, and then logging back in. You can also log on to your student profile homepage and see the waitlisted notes there. If you remain on the waitlist closer to the start of the quarter, the best course of action is to email the professors for all the required link components. Explain that you're not currently enrolled in the class but are on the waitlist. Ask if they would allow you to attend the classes even though you are not officially enrolled in the class. Explain that this would allow you not to fall behind with course content while you monitor your waitlist position and see if seats become available. It is up to the professor's discretion if they would allow you to attend the classes. If you are allowed to attend, it is critical that you take a proactive approach and actively engage in all class expectations. There is no guarantee that enrollment will be possible, but please remain hopeful. At the start of the quarter, there might be updates with seats opening up. Your academic advisor can also provide you with further guidance on the waitlist process and the best recommendations moving forward. Thank you for watching.